Are you wondering if you get wireless charging on the new Samsung Galaxy Buds 4? So yep, I have some great news. So for example, if I plug in my wireless charger here, you'll see if I place them on my charger, they'll actually start to charge. So you see, absolutely awesome. When it comes to power draw, so you see they consume a bit over 2 watts to charge them. So again, you can charge it from pretty much anywhere without any problems. Then also, for example, if you have a Samsung phone that also supports reverse wireless charging, we can also charge them that way. So for example, if you go in the battery, like wireless power sharing, and enable this, you see if you also place them on the phone here, they also start to charge. So again, it works with any phone that has got reverse wireless charging, not only Samsung phones. Then also, if you're wondering if the earbuds themselves get wireless charging, so can we actually charge them without basically using the case of them. So I see if I, for example, pop on my earphone, I see there is no power draw whatsoever. And again, so we can't really charge them. The only way we can charge them is by simply placing in the case. But yeah, the good news is the case, however, is capable of wireless charging. Okay, good luck.